this was $140. So I decided to get this one. It's one of the cheapest brands. It's not just an air purifier, but it is an allergen remover. Sucks 99.7% germs and allergens out of the air. So that's great, you know. And this one is the allergen remover filter. You can see it. It's pretty big. I think the filters alone are expensive. I think they are like $60. Like, so when I go back and it's time to replace this, I'm gonna be spending about $60, $70 on just the filters. This is an odor reducing filter. They really don't really smell or anything, but I mean, that's great. So let me just cut this.
How was that supposed to go?
I gotta put this in here.
In here?
Yep. It's what catches the yuckies. So this is the pre-filter, and it goes into these little tabbies.
What's tabbies?
These are the tabs that the front grill went in right there. It slid right into there. Okay. And then we can put the grill on. Okay. So we got that back on. And now it's just time to plug it up and get it ready. But these buttons up here, they let you know when it's time to replace it. And these things can run for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. See, they let you check it. They got buttons. I love it. It's great. Okay, guys, time to cut it on. Quick reference guide. I'll keep that there. I think I'll go ahead and take this off. And maybe leave it, get it started. So let's start with the germs. Okay, today my baby has been puking. This is all 3 of my kids been puking. Now it's her turn. For the past 3 or 4 days, it's been my son's turn. So right now it's gonna be the germ cleaning, and let's do it for 2 hours. Okay, yes, 2 hours. Okay. Baby, she has allergies. She really has them bad. Last year, it had got critical. So I've been looking into these things since December, thanks to my sister-in-law, Peyton. And I noticed this week my daughter's, her eyelids was puffy. She kept saying she would have a headache every time she kind of moves around. So that's her sinuses. And when I would touch under her eye, she said it would cause pain. So I was like, it's time. Allergy season, along with every corona season, along with everything. So